Do you ever want to give your Galaxy S25 Ultra a quick refresh even when it's already running smoothly? Today I will show you how the Optimize Now button works in device care. Even though this phone is already super fast and rarely feels slow, using Optimize Now can still help, especially after a long day of heavy use, installing a lot of apps, or when some background processes just don't close properly. It's not about fixing lag, it's more like giving your phone a quick cleanup. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care, and then tap Optimize Now. Your phone will clear temporary files, close unnecessary background apps, and check for minor issues. After a few seconds, you will see what was optimized. Tap Done button. And that's it. It's simple and useful. Your S25 Ultra might not need this often, but it's a good habit to tap Optimize Now once in a while to keep everything running clean and smooth. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.